This topic is going to talk about values in keypad. We can control numeric input display with keypad or word switch. This topic will show how to create a numeric input display in keypad. Select and drag the input display to the screen. Double-click the input display. Input display don't need to setting. Select and drag the key to the screen. Double-click the key. Type can set the function type of the key. Choose text and enter 0 in input text. Content direct text in display can show the word we want. Select and drag the limit value display to the screen. Double-click the limit value display. Limit value type can set max or min for limit value display. Move to screen list and click the right button. Select the keypad screen. Use keypad to create a keypad style you want. Select and drag the numeric input display to the screen. Double-click the numeric input display. Set address that we want in monitor address. Total digits can set the total number of digits. Digit places can set the decimal place. Default range can set the max and min display. In this tutorial we set the maximum value to 800. Allow input can set whether to allow the input function. Choose on-screen keypad. Default range can set the max and min value of input. Double-click another numeric input display. Choose the keypad we create in pop-up keypad. Select the compile which is in the project. Select simulation and choose offline. All the values in keypad are work normally.